Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to show floating carts. Now what are floating carts? You must have seen on websites that whenever you click on add to cart, then there is a pop-up that appears with your current cart prompting you to actually check out. Now this helps in customers buy or go to checkout very quickly rather than just adding things to their cart and forgetting about them. In order to configure that, all we need to do is go into settings, user experience, and look for show floating cart. So I'll go down and I can see that show floating cart is available. I'll just switch it on. Now all we need to do is refresh. Now whenever we add something to the cart, you can see that this floating cart appears. If I go to another product and I add that to cart as well, you'll see that the floating cart appears and it'll take me to view cart if I click there. And this is what floating cart is about. It is really helpful to accelerate checkout for your customers. Thank you.